Good morning all. So today in this video we'll study how to use function in different program. So in this video we'll define a function in one program in one file and you will use that function in another file. Okay. So here we'll define the function. To define function, def keyword will be required. After that you will require the function name. Function name is suppose addition, and in this function you will require two variables. And as you are going to perform the addition of these two numbers, you will require two variables here. And in this function, only one statement is there. Print that addition is equal to a plus b. Okay. We'll define one more function here. Subtraction. So def, it is a keyword. Subtraction is a function name here. And for subtraction also, you will require two numbers. In this function also, only one statement is there. We'll give the subtraction of these two numbers here. Okay. So here we have defined these two functions in one file. We'll save this file by using add underscore subtract dot py. Okay. So here we have saved these two functions by using the add underscore subtract dot py name. Okay. So these two functions are defined in this file. We'll use this function in another file. Okay. So new file we have opened here. We'll use this function here. As we require two numbers a and the b. A is a first integer. We'll take this input from the user side. Okay. Enter number 1. After that, b is another variable. In this variable also, we are going to take the input from the user side. This one is the second number. So enter number 2. And after that, we'll perform addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction, these two functions are defined in another file. So we need to import that file here. Import that file name. File name is add underscore subtract. Now we'll use this function addition and subtraction from this file add and subtract. So for that purpose, you will require file name. Add dot subtract is a file name. Dot the function name. Function name is addition, and in this function we'll pass this parameter a and b here. We'll use another function also, so subtract function. Okay, for that purpose also the same syntax you need to use, that file name dot the function name and the variables which you are going to pass here, a and b. These values we are going to pass here. Okay. Now save this file by using name of that file .py extension. Okay. So here in this case, what we have did, we defined this function addition and subtraction in add underscore subtract file. Okay. And we are using this function in another file. Now we'll run this program. It will ask for the number 1. Number 1 is supposed 12. Second number is 10. Here addition is given 22 and subtraction is given 2. Okay. So these two functions are not defined here in this file. Example.py. In this file, these two functions are not defined. These two functions are defined in another file. Okay. And we are using these functions into the another program. So by using this, by importing that file and by importing that file, you can use these functions into the another file. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.